Hey, this is Neetu here. I am one of the ambassadors of Fujifilm India. So today I'll be trying out Fujifilm's latest version X106. So I'm super excited to try out this camera. And today's shoot will be done in Fort Kochi with actress Anina. And it will be a street style portrait shoot.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher.
എന്തേലും ഇങ്ങനെ എന്തേലും നല്ല ആ ഒരു
She puts her hand in mine.
അല്ല ഇങ്ങനെ മുന്നോട്ടിട്ടിട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ഇടുമോ? ആ മതി 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 കുഴപ്പമില്ല. നല്ല 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 അങ്ങനെയുള്ള രീതിയിൽ
We're gonna be two hearts running.
ആ പോസ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തു കൈ പോക്കറ്റിലുണ്ടോ ഒരെണ്ണം? ഓക്കെ ആര് ഇത് അങ്ങോട്ട്
We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the
അത്
hours.
ചാരിയെന്നെ ചിന്നപ്പ എന്നുള്ള പോസ് ഇട്ടോ കേട്ടോ.
Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
ആ ഇപ്പോൾ കുറച്ചുകൂടെ എങ്ങനെ താത്തിക്കോ ആ ഇപ്പോൾ കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ആ അങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടോ ഓക്കെ. വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒന്ന് ഇഷ്ടേ ഇല്ലേ ഇച്ചിരി ആ വിരൽ കാണുന്ന ആ അങ്ങനെ
So I'm back to home after the photo shoot. I had an amazing experience with this camera. It was so handy and so easy to use. I just felt a little bit difficulty with the focal length as it is a fixed lens. And other than that, I loved the camera. It had great colors and I almost felt so similar to my X2 camera with this 40 MB sensor. There was one simulation which was new to me, that was Reala Ace, and I tried out that too. It had great amazing colors. The camera look wise, it was so superb with this retro style. People were actually looking at me while shooting. I could see them staring at my camera. The autofocus was great. It was snappy and I didn't miss any shots. So it was super sharp images. As I'm a wedding photographer, so I will be trying out with wedding photo shoot as well. I'm super excited to use this camera and also to purchase this camera. Bye bye.